Let's take a look at this Fish Windup Toy. Again, a really interesting design. Looks really nice. You can see the tail is separated into sections and it's connected with a thin plastic sheet. This costs around 40 rupees or around 80 cents. The wind-up mechanism actually makes the tail waggle, and it goes in circles because the wheels are oddly shaped. When one wheel is higher, the other one is lower, so it keeps going in circles. The wheels rising and falling also helps it move the tail. Again, a really interesting design. Quite nice. Check it out.